Hi everyone, welcome to today's English lesson. In this video, we're going to learn all about American money. We'll talk about bills, coins, debit cards, credit cards, and simple English phrases you can use when you pay for something in the United States. Take your time, listen carefully, and feel free to repeat after me. Let's begin with paper money, which we call bills. This is a $1 bill. People often call it a 1. This is a $5 bill or a 5. Here is a $10 bill or a 10, and this is a $20 bill or a 20. These four bills are the ones you will see the most in everyday life. There are also $50 bills and $100 bills, but people usually use those for bigger purchases or when they take money out of the bank. Now let's talk about coins, which are also very common in the United States. This small copper coin is a penny. It's worth 1 cent. This silver coin is a nickel. It's worth 5 cents. This very small silver coin is a dime. It's worth 10 cents. And this larger silver coin is a quarter. It's worth 25 cents. Sometimes people use coins to pay for small things, like parking meters, vending machines, or laundry machines. You might hear someone say, "It costs 50 cents," or "It's $2.50. In American English, people often say the number first, then the word cents. Today, many people in the United States don't use cash very often. Instead, they use cards. Let's talk about the two most common types, debit cards and credit cards. A debit card is connected to your bank account. When you pay with a debit card, the money comes out of your account immediately. It's like using cash, but you don't have to carry bills or coins. If you don't have enough money in your account, the payment usually won't work. Debit cards are simple, safe, and very common for everyday purchases like groceries, gas, or coffee. A credit card works differently. A credit card lets you borrow money from the bank to pay for things. You pay the bank back later. If you pay the full amount every month, you don't pay extra. But if you pay only part of the amount, the bank charges interest, which means you owe more money over time. Credit cards can help you build a credit score, which is important in the United States, but you have to use them responsibly. When you go shopping, you might hear questions like cash or card. Would you like to pay with debit or credit? Insert your card. Tap your card. Or please enter your PIN. PIN means your personal identification number, a secret code you use with your debit card. Let's practice some useful sentences together. Repeat after me. How much is this? It's $5. Do you take cards? I'd like to pay with my debit card. Can I use my credit card here? Here is your change. And thank you. Have a great day. Great job today. You learned about American currency. Thanks for checking us out and don't forget to like and subscribe.